Good morning, grade 3. Welcome back to our grade 3 English e-learning. This is our lesson video number 2 for this week. We are now on the week 4 of July 2021. So once again, we are still on Unit 8 and the title of our unit is I'd Like a Melon. Get your student book and turn to page 69. We are now on lesson 6 and yes, it's skills time. So for this lesson video, we are going to focus on writing preparation. This is exercise number 3 of your student book, page 69. Let's start. Okay, so we are going to learn today about adjectives. Okay, so here we put adjectives describing size before adjectives describing color. So in making a sentence, we put the adjectives describing size before adjectives describing color. For example, we have here our example sentence. I can see a big, this is the size, white, this is the color, bird. Okay, I can see a big white bird. So that means the size always comes first before the color. All right, again, the size always comes first. Size always comes first before the color. Like in our sentence, I can see a big white bird. Big is the size and white is the color. All right? So don't forget that one. Size and then color. Let's move to our exercise. Okay, get your pencils. Put the words in the correct columns. We have here a word bank. Okay, and then we have the words big, green, small, red, pink, little, tall, and blue. So we have two columns. Okay, we have two columns. First, we have the size, and then we have the color. Size would be big, small, tall, little. Okay, those speaks about size. And when you say color, we have different colors. We have black, we have white, and there's purple, there's blue, there's yellow. So you know already. So what we will do is we will put the words in the correct column. Okay? So get your pencils and try to put the words in the correct columns. Let's start with the word big. Big. Okay, so you write first. I'll say the word and you write it on your student book. We have the size column and the color column. So write the words and then later I'll show you the answers. Alright, so let's try. Big, is it size or color? Write the word big on the correct column. Okay, if you think it's a size, then you write it on size column. If you think it's a color, then you write it on the color column. Ready? Okay. Green. What is green? Is it size or a color? Write your answer on the box, okay? Write your answers in the box. How about small? Is it a size or a color? Write your answer. Red. Is it a size or a color? How about pink? Is it a size or a color? Little. Is it size or color? Tall. Is it size or color? And blue. Is it size or a color? So let's try to check your answers. Let's start with the word big. Big, is it a size or a color? Yes, it's a size. So we write big on the size column. Yes. And then cross out big. Okay? Very good. Let's move to our next word, green. How about green? Is it a size or a color? It's a? Yes, it's a color. So write it in the color column and cross out green. Next word is small. Is it a size or a color? It's a? Yes, it's a size. So write it in size and cross out small. Next, red. Is it a size or a color? It's a? Yes, it's a color. Write it in color. How about pink? Is it size? Is it a size or a color? Yes, it's a color. So write it in the color box. Little. How about little? Is it a size or a color? Yes, it's a size. Good job. How about tall? Is it a size or a color? Yes, it's a size. And blue. Is it a size or a color? Yes, it's a color. Very good. So now we've learned already the sizes and the colors. Okay, the words that we use for sizes are big, small, little, and tall. And the words that we use to determine the colors are green, red, pink, and blue. Okay, let's move to our next exercise. This time, we are going to write the sentences. Okay, so for exercise number 1, here, sentence number 1, you need 2 blank tomatoes. Again, remember, in writing the sentence, we put the size first and then the color. Adjectives describing size and adjectives describing color. You need 2 blank tomatoes. So we have here red and big. Which one comes first? Yes, big. So we will write big first and then write red. Very good. So the answer here is big and red. So don't forget to write the comma. You need 2 big red potatoes. Oh, tomatoes, sorry. You need 2 big red tomatoes. Okay? Always, the size comes first. Adjectives describing size comes first, and then the adjectives describing color. Okay, number 2. Mom is wearing a blank hat. Mom is wearing a blank hat. So we have here the adjectives little and pink. Which one comes first? The size. What is the size? Which word is the size? Yes, little. Very good. So we write little pink hat. Okay, little, comma, pink, and then the word hat. Mom is wearing a little pink hat. Good. Number 3. Look at the blank trees. Look at the blank trees. So we have here the adjectives green and tall. Which adjectives comes first? The answer is? Yes, the adjective tall comes first and then the adjective green. Very good. So the answer here is tall, comma, green. Look at the tall green trees. Wow, you're learning. Number 4. We're sailing in a blank boat. We're sailing in a blank boat. We have here the adjectives small and blue. So which one comes first? The size. Okay, what is the size? What word for the size? Yes, small, this one. So we will write small, then comma, and then the color, blue. We're sailing in a small blue boat. Okay? So, yes, we just have 4 sentences for this exercise. Now, more of this will be on your homework. So, I hope you will watch this video and you will learn something from this. So, because this is a part of our homework for this week. Alright, see you on our next lesson video. Yes, our lesson 6 ends here and unit 8 ends here. Our next lesson video will be about science time. So see you on our next lesson video. Goodbye.